Do you want to jump in very quickly, Peter, to say whether you did any research with homeowners as part of preparing this?
Thank you, Sonia. I can jump back in. I was responding to people's questions in writing, actually. I don't know if people can see that. There are so many systems around. I've been sort of typing in answers to people who've asked questions. But to the question that was raised on additional research. So we just did a review of all secondary research. So when you write a report like this, it's taken us about a year. You do as much as you can. I forget, there's probably something like 140 sources of literature that we have kind of read and sort of like gone through to pull out the most relevant facts in order to support this case. In so doing, we did read a lot around what the existing products were, and we review them in case studies in the report. So the French case studies, the German case studies, the Italian case studies. We also looked at attitude surveys and the review that was done, I think, in the UK of how people reaching the, or elderly people prefer to stay on living in their homes much more so now than ever before, and for that they need accessibility renovations to make sure that that is possible. And I feel that an ERL could consider accessibility as potentially a key driver for also energy performance within those cases. So there's definitely a body of research that we've looked at that talks to the point on consumer attitudes. I can't say that we, in the writing of this report, did primary research. We did not do surveys ourselves, but the purpose of launching this blueprint now today is to encourage all of you to do exactly that. There was another question that said, have you tested this out with banks? Well, the answer is absolutely. We've sent the proposal. This draft report has been circulated to a number of financial institutions for their comments. And, you know, we encourage you to do that. So if you know of a bank that you think could be interested in helping be a part of launching this, send them the report. It'll come to you via email for everybody who attends this, and send it to them and tell them to get in touch, and we'll certainly take it from there.
Okay, thank you.